Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel here today at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today's video is going to be on this 2020 brand new Toyota Tundra Platinum. We're installing a set of King's 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers with some Camburg kinetic billet upper control arms. We're also doing some rear lift shackles, doing a dual exit TRD exhaust on here with black chrome tips. We're also doing some app research electric side steps along with the body mount chop to clear some 35-inch tires that we're going to be installing. As usual, once the vehicle is up on the rack, our team jumps right in and gets the job done. Our wheel and tire guys remove the wheels and tires and start removing the TPMS sensors to swap onto the new wheels and tires. Our suspension guys jump right in to remove the stock components. In order for us to remove the factory rear shackles, we do have to lower the rear spare tire to access the bolt. As you see here, these are the front upper control arms along with the springs and shocks that have been removed. And here's our tech unboxing the Camburg kinetic upper control arms. Tech is compressing the springs here to adjust the front coilovers to about 3 inches of lift height. For the wheels and tires here, the customer brought in a set of SCS wheels that we're mounting a set of Toyo Open Country RTs on. These are in the size of a 35, 12.5, 18. Rear 2-inch lift shackles have already been installed, as you can see right there. King's 2.5 Remote Reservoir rear shocks are installed as well, and the front end suspension is currently going on. '88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to give us a call anytime during regular business hours, or reach out to us for an inquiry through our contact form. You can find that in the link in the description. The suspension components have been installed, so our tech is now going to start the wiring process of the Amp Research electric side steps. While that is happening, our welder jumps right in to start the body mount job. And this is what the finished BMC looks like. The side steps are mounted on, but wiring is not complete yet. And here's a closer look at the black tips on the TRD dual split exit exhaust. We usually do have these available in stock, so if you need it, let us know. Now that the body mount job has been complete, the wheels and tires are put onto the vehicle. The vehicle goes down to the ground, and our tech can continue on wiring the Amp Research electric side steps. Wiring is complete, and here we are testing the side steps. We stock tons of these for the Tundra, so if you want a set for your truck, let us know. For those that are wondering what happens if you leave your foot there while it retracts, well, here we are doing the test. The Amp Research electric side steps come with a safety feature that actually stops it from retracting if it detects that something is in the way. Project is pretty much complete now. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. What do you guys think of this build? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Do you think the 2020 Tundra is worth its money? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. Thanks for checking out this video today, guys. We hope to see you again tomorrow when we publish the next daily video.